Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: temporary tattoos that look incredibly real. If you've ever wanted to experiment with tattoos without the commitment, you're in for a treat. We're checking out the COKTAK 68 sheets large half-arm sleeve temporary tattoos. Let me tell you, this isn't your average temporary tattoo set. With 68 sheets featuring over 500 designs, COKTAK offers an impressive array of options. Whether you're into tribal, animals like wolves and tigers, or delicate floral designs, there's something for everyone. What sets these apart? Well, these tattoos are not only easy to apply just a few seconds with water, but they're also waterproof and can last up to 46 days. Perfect for parties, festivals, or just trying out a new look without the commitment. Let's try one out. First, cut out your desired design. Remove the clear protective sheet, place it face down on your skin, and press a damp cloth or sponge against it for about 1020 seconds. Peel off the paper, and voila! Instant tattoo that looks surprisingly real. These tattoos are not just for fun, they're a great way to express yourself. Whether you're heading to a costume party, hitting the beach, or just want to spice up your everyday look, COKTAK tattoos are your go-to solution. Now, safety is key. COKTAK tattoos are made with non-toxic ink, ensuring they're safe for all ages. They've passed rigorous FDA tests, so you can wear them with peace of mind. Don't just take my word for it. Experiment with placement. From half sleeves to small accents, you can mix and match to create your unique style statement. They're also great as gifts or party favors. In conclusion, if you're looking to try out tattoos without the lifelong commitment, or simply want to add some flair to your next event, COKTAK 68 sheets large half-arm sleeve temporary tattoos are a fantastic choice. They're affordable, easy to apply, and they look stunningly real. Check out the link in the description below to get yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. See you next time.